Hello, today let me introduce you one GPS sports watch, SUNROAD G5.
It adopts IPS high-definition touchscreen. The watch ring, buttons, and buckle are stainless steel, ABS watch case, silicone strap, and USB charge. Built-in GPS and GLONASS sensor, the watch can track in your sports route and group target places, including longitude, latitude, direction, and distance, etc. G5 combines professional sports data analysis, such as jogging, running, cycling, swimming, climbing, diving, fishing, triathlon, compass, navigation, best records, sports history, etc. Running includes dynamic heart rate monitoring and warning, pace, distance, exercise time, current time, speed, cadence, calorie, sports route, etc. Swimming includes indoor and outdoor. Under indoor mode, it requires selecting the length of the swimming pool in advance. It can record our dynamic heart rate monitoring and warning, pace, distance, exercise time, current time, speed, calorie, outdoor swimming route, etc. Climbing includes dynamic heart rate monitoring and warning, sea level, altitude, climb altitude, temperature, climb curve, sunrise and sunset time, climb time, total gain and total loss, blood oxygen, sea level pressure, current pressure, pressure curve, current time, compass, climb route, etc. Vision include weather forecast, current pressure, suitable vision pressure, pressure curve, vision index, temperature, vision time, current time, etc. The watch includes speedometer, heart rate, sleep monitoring, alarm clock, selfie, music control, metronome, countdown timer, stopwatch also. Many languages are combined inside, such as Chinese, Russian, English, French, Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, German, Indonesian, Japanese, Korean, Malay language, etc. It can connect apps through Bluetooth, 5 ATM waterproof, USB charging, 3 hours charging supports 10 to 15 days using, 30 days standby GPS continuous or 12 hours.